Aloha from Kyoto. Lucky, author and coach here in Japan, doing a couple of events for my book, Willing Souls, How to Brave Uncertainty and Find Peace, which is a practical guide on finding balance and loveliness in your life no matter what's going on around you, even when you're in a different country. Today I am coming to you talking about feeling good by removing stipulations from your happiness. We are concluding our three-part series with tool number 3. If you remember, tool number 1 on how to remove stipulations from your happiness. First step, tool number 1, is just to recognize when you are placing stipulations inside your head. Number 2 was to release stipulations using first thought, second thought. Maybe your first thought is, I have to do this before I can feel good. Okay, that's a thought. We get to choose to release that. And then we get to choose our second thought. I get to choose to feel good right now. Just exactly what's happening right here, right now. I can feel good. That's tool number 2. Okay, tool number 3. You ready for it? I love this one. It's my favorite. Feel feelings of happiness. So maybe you've been waiting until everything out there lines up. And then when that happens, then you're going to feel happy. The truth is, you don't need everything out there to line up, thank goodness, before you can feel happy. It truly is an inside job. Okay, here's your homework. You ready for it? For the next 3 days, get out your timer and set it for 10 minutes. If that's not a good fit, set it for 5 minutes, set it for 3 minutes. It really doesn't matter. And then you're going to sit quietly while the timer counts down, and you're going to feel happy feelings. You're going to say affirmations. You're going to write down some affirmations, maybe 3, maybe 5 affirmations on a piece of paper, or maybe put them on your calendar in your phone or somewhere you can bring them up during this 10-minute time that you're sitting quietly. And during this quiet time, you're going to say affirmations. Possibly, I am overflowing with love and joy, and then you're going to feel love and joy just overflowing inside of you. Another possible affirmation, life is good, my life is good, I love my life. Or maybe you'll say, I am thriving, and then you'll feel feelings of thriving and feeling awesome. And you're going to do that until the timer goes off, 3 days in a row. And then wherever you wrote those affirmations, carry that around with you throughout the day. And whenever you need to pick me up, say one of those affirmations out loud if possible. And if you're not too embarrassed about it, if you want to inspire others or seem a little goofy. And then in the evening, spend a little bit of time journaling. Write about your experiences, any discoveries, and of course you want to close your journal entry with an affirming thought about you, thanking yourself, being in gratitude for the effort that you have put into yourself. Sometimes it's easy to put effort into others, into work, and we are last on our list. Well, we're going to thank ourselves for putting ourselves on our list, hopefully at the top for the next 3 days. It's just 10 minutes in the morning and then maybe 10 minutes of journaling. So carve out 20 minutes for yourself and then say thank you, because it's not a given that we take care of ourselves. So we're going to appreciate our efforts. And remember that you don't have to do this alone. You can ask your higher power for help in this process. You can ask friends, ask someone to be your accountability partner. Say, hey, I'm going to do this for the next 3 days, and I'm going to report to you at the end of each day that I accomplished my goals of feeling happy feelings. So that's it. Know that I am with you in spirit, and I'm doing the same things in my life, and they turn out so well. I can't wait to share them with you. So I send you with blessings of aloha. I'm proud of you. Keep it up. Woo, woo.